Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best gaming laptops? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming laptops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16 G635LW. Our high-end pick is free from the budget restraints of other categories, and in this fiercely competitive tier, the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 16 stands out. It manages to remain a decent value despite its price, and the performance, design, and feature set make it a winner for enthusiasts. The Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 in our test model made light work of our benchmark tests, and it's up to the task for any real-world title. Additionally, it features a brilliant 240Hz 1600p mini LED display, long battery life, and tool-free RAM and storage upgradability. Hardcore gamers with deep pockets. This ROG Strix laptop works best for gamers willing to spend $3,000 or more. It's expensive but maximizes that value with top-end parts and materials. Any modern game will run smoothly on this machine, and it has a boatload of memory, storage, and processing power. Creatives and power users. This laptop is also well-suited for creatives and professionals with high demands. You'll find plenty of overlap between creators and gamers today. This laptop has as much muscle for crunching through media editing and data as it does for handling the latest games. And number 2. Razer Blade 14. It's spendy, but the 2025 Razer Blade 14 is a prime portable gaming laptop with an unmatched build, long battery life, frame rate muscle, and a 3K OLED display that dazzles. We recently reviewed Razer's latest flagship 16-inch Blade laptop. Its smaller sibling is the real spotlight seizer, though. The 2025 Razer Blade 14 starts at $2,299.99. $2,699.99 as tested, sports an updated design, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series graphics, and a speedy AMD Ryzen AI 9 processor. Its 120Hz 3K OLED screen is vibrant and gaming-ready, and the machine ran for over 10 hours on our battery test. The design is solid too. The superior all-metal build and smooth touchpad make the Blade 14 a joy to use. All that quality, of course, comes at a price. The Razer Blade 14 is expensive, and you can get larger laptops in the same price range with more powerful graphics performance. But if the impressively portable 14-inch size appeals to you, this is the machine to save up for. The Blade 14 earns our editor's choice for its excellence as a high-end portable gaming laptop. There's no getting around it. Every version of the Blade 14 is expensive. This is a gaming laptop that starts at $2,299.99, but you get a lot of quality for your dollar. No matter which version of the machine you choose, you'll get an advanced display, a premium build, and gaming-ready parts. And number 3. Gigabyte Aorus Master 16. This RTX 5080 laptop offers RTX 5090-like performance for less. In reviewing the Gigabyte Aorus Master 16, this laptop surprised me. Coming hot on the heels from testing the Razer Blade 16, my top pick for this guide, the size and weight of this laptop put me off, but there's no arguing with how great it performs. The RTX 5080 in our test sample outperformed the Blade 16's RTX 5090 in every one of our formal tests, blowing my socks off in the process. I don't mean that literally, but I could, because running its hardware as intensively as it does generates a lot of heat that the system needs to exhaust. It gets loud, but it works well, allowing this laptop to perform at its top potential for long periods of time. Keep the vent cleared and gaming headset on, and you'll be all set to enjoy a top-tier PC gaming experience on the go. Its performance in games lies in its combination of high-performance hardware and the way its engineers have designed it. In addition to the RTX 5080, it comes with an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, a 24-core beast that hits a top speed of 5.4 GHz. Its core count and clock speed ensure that you can multitask to your heart's content and that the processor will never bottleneck what the GPU is capable of. And number 4. ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 16. The newest version of the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 16 is one of the brand's latest, most balanced gaming laptops, earning critical and user acclaim for its consistent performance and sharp display. The LED display has a refresh rate of 240 Hz, practically eliminating blurriness and choppy imagery. It has a powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU that fuels a robust graphic performance. The Intel Core i7 processor isn't the most powerful in the brand line. An i9 would offer an even smoother experience, but it can keep up with all of your streaming and gaming needs. Not to mention, the design is aesthetically pleasing. Its semi-transparent plastic is reminiscent of a Game Boy Color. A common problem with gaming laptops is its weight, and the ROG Strix 16 suffers from this drawback. It weighs nearly 6 pounds, and comes with a hefty 2.5-pound power brick. That weight can add up when you're gaming on the go, but it also gives it, according to several critics, up to 7 hours of battery life while gaming. And number 5. ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo 16. Remember the MacBook Touch Bar? You can get the same functionality with ASUS's ScreenPad Plus on the ROG Zephyrus Duo 16, but even better. This laptop is equipped with a 14-inch 4K secondary touchscreen display that provides a convenient menu of shortcuts whenever you need it, making streaming, gaming, and editing a more intuitive process. In addition to this useful feature, the Zephyrus Duo 16 is also a powerful gaming machine thanks to an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H mobile processor, NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, and 165 Hz refresh rate. It comes with a good amount of RAM and storage that can take on massive gaming libraries too. With more than sufficient hardware, you can smoothly run popular games like the newest releases of Call of Duty or Dragon Age, the Veilguard. Some users say that the second screen influences the laptop's processing power, causing it to stutter more often during demanding gameplay. But if you're a casual gamer or looking for a laptop that can compete against similar models for play and work capability, this might be your best bet.